Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this. It's the Wamife. This is a nugget ice maker that's going to make some of the best ice nuggets on the planet. These are those really good nuggets that just taste better than the others, the ones that are super crunchy. When you have to go to a restaurant and get the ice, this is the good stuff. So Wamife, this machine is really powerful. It'll make over 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, and it has a bin that holds 3 pounds of ice. Now, whether you're having a party, you're traveling, you're at the campsite, whatever it is, this is the perfect ice machine for you. Now, Wamife has been absolutely stellar lately with creating high quality devices that have a beautiful finish, and they are just so quick. I was able to put the water, you just pour water in, run it under the faucet, or just pour it from like a cup or whatever. It'll turn it into ice literally within a matter of minutes. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about now. So one of the best points that this thing has is that it's relatively silent. Even when the compressor is running like it is now, it's a very quiet machine. Obviously, the large amount of ice that it's able to make in 24 hours is a huge selling point as well. Now it comes with a scoop, it comes with a bin built in, and then you just pour the water into the bottom of the device and you're getting high quality ice every single time. Now I'm a big fan of being able to drink my water. Look at that. You know what I'm talking about? That's the good quality nugget ice that everybody wants, that only the special restaurants have. But this is able to make it. And you know, for people who don't drink a lot of water, getting this special treat ice is going to make them want to drink water. This makes your Coca-Cola taste better, and it is just a great way to enjoy something with low calories. Substitute some ice into your fruit juice and get rid of half the calories. Plus, you got to keep yourself hydrated. So if you're looking for a big party, this is a great option for you. If you're going to be going in the RV, this is a great option for you. You see it's got the self-cleaning button. It's got the easy on and off, and it stops making ice when it's full until you grab some ice out and make some more. And I've been eating ice all morning, and it is indeed staying full. So the folks at Wamife have made a beautiful design. This finish is just gorgeous, right? It's almost black. You've got the piano black on top, and then that high quality, kind of a black stainless steel. I haven't seen that a lot of places, only on the top end products. All right, on top of that, you have the clear lid, opens up, easy peasy. Grab your ice. You can take out the entire bin of ice if you're so inclined, and you've got the water in the bottom. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. All right, folks, so a couple other things here. I gotta tell you that this is that really good chewy ice. It's just a better ice. You're not getting the El Cheapo ice here, and it's gonna make your drinks better. It's chewy, it's delicious, and it's constantly on the make, so you don't have to worry about filling it up. So that's super fun. I love how cool this is, and you don't have to skimp on the ice. Make a nice cold beverage for the family. All right, then also I gotta show you, there's an easy line that you can clean out the line on the back and make sure that your water is well filtered. Anyway, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. My name is Adam. Now let me show you the rest of the video. All right, folks, I also have to point out that it's got a self-cleaning function. On top of that, it's got a drain out the back to where you don't have to worry about any excess water. It'll take care of it for you. And this is the good chewy ice that is so delicious in your sodas and drinks. You're gonna love it. This is the good stuff, not those hard bullets. This is that crunchy stuff. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. Stick around. But yeah, if you're looking for a great product, this is among the best of the best. Go ahead and treat yourself to a glass filled with ice. This is going to be great for mixed drinks. This is great for soda. This is great for any occasion. You got a birthday party, put this out on the porch with a couple of cans of soda, and people can have a icy glass. It's good for your red cup or for a nice classy glass for Thanksgiving when people are going to be using more ice than expected because your ice machine may not be able to keep up with it. But of course, with traveling, this is perfect as well. All right, folks, the company's name is Wamife. They're one of the most respected brands on the planet. I'm a big fan. Get yours. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Wamife Ice Maker. This thing is incredible. Pick it up through Amazon. You won't be disappointed. All right, folks, what are you waiting for? Don't just take my word for it. Get it for yourself. You won't be disappointed. All right, thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.